Good morning. It's great to see so many people here in the room interested in this subject. My name's Nadia. I'm here as a project coordinator for ReMade ARI, which is a project that spans about 17 different countries across Europe and over 50 research infrastructures. We only have 5 minutes, so myself and my colleague Santiago will just give you a very brief overview of what the project is and what we do. We are a hub for material research, so we are looking at recyclable materials development and analytical research infrastructures. Max 4 is obviously one of those research infrastructures and is involved in the project, but it's one of many infrastructures that is part of this project. Who are we? We are a consortium of over 50 partners providing free access to the research infrastructures. And by free access, we mean the actual access to the research infrastructure itself and also financial support to the researchers that come to see us. We are a 4-year project, so we started in 2022 and we will be finishing in September next year. We are funded by the European Commission. The majority of our funding comes from them, 13.7 million, but also we have 1.8 million from the UK and from Switzerland. And because we have so many research infrastructures, we have access to a very wide network of experts in various fields. So we have over 150 researchers and instrumentation scientists who are involved in this project. And we also have 20 junior scientists or postdocs, Santiago being one of them, based at these different research infrastructures who support our researchers wherever they might be going and whatever they might be doing. So we are a very large team dedicated to promoting materials research. We are involved in both the academic side and in the industry side as well. And we are really here to support researchers looking for solutions to moving towards a more circular economy. So what do we offer? Across all of our research infrastructures, we are offering over 50,000 hours of transnational access. So what does that mean? Transnational means that if you are based, for example, here in Sweden at Lund University, you are welcome to come to Max 4 and Lund University and everything that it offers. But in terms of our project, we will support you to go to a research infrastructure in a different country in Europe. So we will provide that free beam time and we will provide the financial support to access that facility. We provide many complementary techniques. I manage the online platform myself, so you're very welcome to go and find us on the online platform, visit our website, and Santiago will give a little bit more information about the different types of techniques that we have. As I say, we're open to academic and industry, and you can visit our webpage to see when our portal is open for access. And you can apply in any of these areas, for example, batteries and vehicles, food, water and nutrients, textiles, and as Achim mentioned, batteries are very high on the agenda at the moment. These are all areas that are supported by the European Green Deal, which is part of the Circular Economy Action Plan. So you're welcome to find more about that online. I'm not going to go into detail about that today, but we support all of these areas across ReMade at RE. We have outreach and training to new communities, so we're not just about experienced researchers coming and doing research, but we support inexperienced or lesser experienced researchers to come, and also, of course, with the transnational access, as a researcher, you have access to facilities that maybe you wouldn't normally have as part of your country. So from that, I will pass over to Santiago to say a couple of words about the techniques.
Thank you, Nadia. So through ReMade project, you can access different techniques. It's a large amount of technique with different sorts. You can have an experiment with neutron, X-ray, positron, electron microscopy, among others. And the good thing is that you don't need to be expert to have access to this technique, because you can have support through the Smart Science cluster. The idea to have support is sending a pre-proposal that only you answer some question about what is your project, what are you interested in, measure, and then one of the junior scientists will contact you, and then we will have a discussion about your experiment. I will recommend you some techniques that fit with your experiment, and then how you can perform your experiment, and then you can send the final proposal that will be evaluated with the committee. Once your proposal is approved, also we can support your experiment in situ and ex situ. It's like if you need support doing the experiment, we can travel with you to the facility and support you during the experiment. And then the good thing that also you will get support with the data analysis. So you can be like a beginner or no user with the technique, you can have like a really nice result. This is the Smart Scientist. We are located at different facilities. We have different background with different expertise in even with technique, also with the sample materials. So it's a really nice opportunity if you have an idea or you are interested to have like a new experiment that you are not related with. You can apply. You will have support during all the process to get a very nice paper at the end.
We have a lot of information online as well. We have webinars online and the information today will be online as well. So we really try to make the education and training a large part of our project. So these are the webinars that we had in 2024. We have them also going on in 2025. So you're welcome to check out our website and find more detailed information on those there. We're a very large team and we are really trying hard to push this project towards research more towards the circular economy. So we really welcome your questions and interest after the presentation. Thank you very much.